wiPhone is so much more than a smartphone. It's simply an ecosystem. You just have to carry one device that is designed to internally back other devices and continuously interact with.
At IDRAQ, we believe the innovation is a commitment, especially when it comes to smartphone. wiPhone represents our commitment. It's a smartphone that crosses the line drawn from more than 1 decade with its full wireless experience that delivered by its compact wireless kit.
We greatly presenting a new concept phone, a concept we believe will change the current perspective of mobile phone industry. We are motivated not only by the idea, but the market potential. As well, we provide something new, the price will be competitive. The fact that the wireless kit product is the major method of our marketing plan.
We've been through a long creative process, from early concepts and sketches to 3D wireframes and a variety of test handsets. It's all led us to this sensational smartphone and compact wireless kit.
It is simply the next big thing, and for that, we have gathered the best of engineers to partner up with the big names in the tech industry, just to get wiPhone to your hands as promised. So now, all we need is you.